Let's suppose that you're writing.
Check, check. It always happen, dude. Every time. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. We're gonna wait for another 3 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and start then. Any pairs you guys looking at for this week? Go ahead and drop them in the comments, and I'll definitely look at it in a little bit. I'm gonna get everything set up real quick. Look at some news, see what's up. See nothing happening until 12. Or there's no news until 2 a.m. tonight, so we'll see. Um, Zero odd all day. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up, and then today's gonna be pretty much a game planning for this week, cause Friday, as everybody knows, it's gonna be NFP. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna be trading tonight, um, and then all the way to up like I want to say Wednesday night is the last night I'm gonna be trading this week. 'Cause obviously, nothing's gonna be happening Thursday night because everything's gonna be slowing down for NFP. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get everything set up, and dang, it's only 1,000 pip right there, and that's on a weekly. Look at this. Oh. Oh. What pairs are you guys looking at for this week? I'm gonna be looking at Euro AUD, AUD USD, and USD JPY. So those are my pair for this week. Dead. Dead today. Oh, it's at 19. Should have got in. Alright, man. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start. So, like I said, we're gonna be doing some game planning this week. Um, so today, really just get like everything set up. As you can see right here. Um, for those people who are not on, they're playing himself right now because this is this is how, I mean, like I've been using this marking this up. You know, the major quarter, major hold on, major quarter, large quarter, major half. So you know, in each in between major quarters, it's about 1,000 pips um in between. So let's see. As you can see right here, I have Euro AUD marked up. As everybody know, I love price action, so that's really all I do. And this, this kind of play out as uh, um, price action. So you can see right here, I dropped my. Actually, I started from down here. Actually, let me show you. So really, I just went all the way down. I went all the way down from right here, and then just kind of worked my way up. Obviously, I don't need anything down here, but this is the area that I want to be focusing on. Um, and yeah, like you can see, like hold on. You see this right here, this major quarter right here. How it just going up and down, and then if it breaks, then it breaks. It takes a big candle to break it. So, so yeah, that's what I want to start doing. You can see right here, I'm in a and then I'm in the process of setting this up right now. I have set this up for this one. This one's a little cleaner. But see right here. So my prediction for this is that obviously it came back down here to hit this major half. So I'm just gonna ride this one all the way up to a large quarter or major quarter. So we're at, so we can take about 100 pips, or we can get 300 pips. So that's really, you have an options. But it looks like it's been going down here more than anything. Look. Let's see. So it looks like it's trying to work its way up right now. So but yeah, so the price has been coming down here. Let's look at weekly real quick. So yeah, it's been okay. It went down here. So yeah, definitely. I feel like this could be starting up an uptrend right here. Because if you look at it this right here, you can call this like a big zone. So even like down here. So yeah, I could definitely see it start going up from this point. At least to like to major quarter, and then it may even consolidate again, like right here. It may do the same thing right here. So goes up, come back down, goes up again, consolidate, drop back down to maybe to this zone right to major half, and then boom, takes off. So that, it could even just, yeah. that could happen. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this method right here, this even just like marking up is so easy. It takes about like 5 minutes to like set it up, but this is very well worth it because at this point, like I always say, let the market come to me. I never chase the market. You know what I'm saying? I don't do, you know, market execution. You know what I'm saying? Like I just let the market come to me and then I'll decide then. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how you're being patient whenever you trade. Um, yeah, you can obviously like mark it up, you know, keep going up, but like I just want to focus on this point. Um, but it honestly it probably would help if you do it like from like all the way, but it's gonna be too much. It's gonna be too much. Um, so about to be in profit. Yeah, I have a buy. I'm in a buy position right now, like down here. So actually not down there, but right, like right here. So draw this up real quick. Definitely don't want that. And then so that is what I have my prediction on that right now. Plus, like if you look into 4 hours, this kind of make a little head and shoulders. So not too worry about it right now because um, I last week I was trading live, but I got in right here. It went up, and then I wasn't watching my trade, but it dropped down and then hit this zone. So now I'm just like riding it up because AUD USD and Euro AUD it you know they run opposite. So if AUD is going up, actually no, if AUD USD is going down, Euro AUD is going up. So you know that's why like this is really only two pairs my main pairs right now. So there's two right here. So it's I mean it's really good because like it's not too volatile. You know, like I was trading you know, the yen pair, and sometimes they're too volatile where like I'll be, you know, it'll pull back like 50, 60 pips, and like I just don't like seeing red, so it just I really don't. But I know it's just a part of the process, but you know what I'm saying, it sometimes like it messes with your head sometimes. So yeah, like I kind of got out and just really go into the slower pairs. But me and Jordan will be doing we'll be scalping GJ a lot more. So this is gonna be our our day trade, and then GBP JPY is gonna be for scalping. So that's the plan for this week is day trade AUD USD Euro AUD, and then scalp GBP JPY for London session. So definitely if you want to trade with us or anything, just let me know. Um, push down first. Yes, yeah. I didn't mean to say like go up like right away, but like EJ, I feel like it's gonna come down right here since just head and shoulder. Um, but yeah, that's what plus um it hit this right here, so it hasn't hit that one, so it and then it came back down. So it's a nice W right here too. So but I'm just gonna set this zone up right here, and then real quick. Okay. Then we just go. So, and then I gotta change this to, hold on, I think it was large quarter, okay. So I'm being lazy, I'm just gonna copy and paste. Alright, so, large quarter, large quarter. And then this one right here is gonna be major half. So yeah, and if you guys want to use this method, like this is really like, if you actually want to, hey, what's up, Joseph? How are you doing, brother? Yeah, dude, definitely major half. Yeah, if you want, you keep it like that or whatever. But yeah, this is, it's pretty clean. I mean, in my opinion, because this is like, I could definitely say like this is definitely a stronger zone, more than anything, because you definitely can make, I can say quick 250 pips. You know what I'm saying? Oh damn. Oh yeah. Hey, how was your game, bro? I saw your picture. Like, you were playing rugby today. So did y'all win? I hope so. If not, if you didn't win, you don't have to comment down. But you know what I'm saying. But yeah. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Like this week, man, it's been crazy. It's been an adventure. So everything's going good right now. Everything's going good. Just putting in work, you know. Yeah, if you're trying to catch like quick well, I wouldn't say quick, but like if you're trying to get like, you know, 250 pips in like a day, you know, you can, but this is so easy, dude. Like look at this. Boom. Quick 250 pips. 250, 250, 250. It's so easy. Like now, like, that's what I'm saying. Like this is so powerful. What's up, Christian? How you doing, brother? But we'll see what's up with this right here. Cause I'm not too sure, honestly. Like if it comes up here to hit this major half, I could definitely see it goes down like to like right here to major quarter, and then boom goes up. Because I don't think this is a true up. Like I don't think it's gonna go up from here. I think it's gonna drop back down at least to like right here. So, but yeah, like what do you guys think on that? Like, me know if you like this markup, because this is a very powerful market. You know what I'm saying? Like if a price go to right here, goes up, you already know the play. You know what I'm saying? You can just write it down 250 pips real quick, you know? So, check this out. From here to there. It's like 270, but I'm gonna change that real quick. Needs to be 250. Okay. Oh no! I deleted it. Then that's gonna be what? See, it's gonna be large quarter. So yeah. I think those cool. Yeah, I just made them. It's so if you go to like weekly, what I did was I actually, you can, if you want, you really want to, you can go to monthly, and then I just do from like right here, whatever. I'll start from up here, down there, whatever, and then pretty much all I did was like drag it down, see how many pips is it, and then just keep dividing it up. But obviously I want to focus right here. But yeah, you're gonna have to like make your way make your way in, because obviously we don't be focused up here, so there's no point to have your major quarters up here. So but yeah, every quarter is 1,000. Every quarter is 1,000 pips. So if you're trying to catch 1,000 pips, here's a strategy. So but yeah, I feel like this is gonna come up to right here, and it's gonna be down, then break through this, comes to down here. I'm telling you, watch. So what do you think? Because like I mean, it takes some time to like mark it up, but once you do it, it makes your life so much easier. You know what I'm saying? Cause like, and this, yeah, of course. Um, so you can go to weekly, and so what I did was, sure. So yeah, you can start from like down here. You know what I'm saying? Like you can start from down here, and then you can work your way up. So from down here to up here, it's about 6,000. Yeah, it's about 6,000 pips. So you can start dividing them up. You can go like half, and then go 3,000 in between. So what I'm saying, that's why I have my major quarter right here, which is 3,000 pips from here to there. So and then you obviously divide it up from right here, and then keep going. It's every um once you break it to every 1,000, and then you can go to every so in a quarter. Okay, so you can go from you know 20 250 pips from major to large quarter, and then from large quarter to major is 20 250. So it's all in there. So 250, that's 500, and then obviously it's 1,000. So in each major quarter, to 1,000. So if you just keep doing that and work your way through into the current I guess price, then that's really all you need for at that point. Um, but yeah, that's really that's really like all to it. I mean, it's really simple, very, 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 very effective. And this is just, for you to let the markets come to you. At this point, now you can buy pips. So dividing up, yes, yes, sir. Buy pips. Yeah, cause from this major quarter to here, it's 1,000 pips. You know what I'm saying? And then from here to there is 6,000 pips, or from here to there. 1,000 pips, and then from here to right here it's 3,000. So you can definitely work your way down, and then you know all that stuff. So, but yeah, just keep it simple, because obviously like I didn't like try to match it up to here. You know what I'm saying? Like I all I did was going every 1,000 pips that I could. I'm just targeting every 1,000 pips, and then it lined it up myself. You know what I mean? So obviously it's not gonna be like on point, but try your best to get it to um, 1,000 pip, or 250. So, but yeah, what's up, Kevin, brother? How you doing? You like that, huh? It's a super effective way to catch 1,000 pips. So nuggets. Here we go. Here's the lesson of the day. Here's how you catch 1,000 pips. So, but or two 50 pips, 250 pips a day. I think that's pretty. Well, actually, you might have to swing trend this one, but yeah, from here to up here, yeah, it's about 250. Yeah, so yeah, if you're a swing trader, um, that's this 10 have a name. I'll call it like major quarter or something like that. um, yeah, I can say I don't know. I just call it major quarter. I guess. Do you know a name for this? Like he's asking for the technical name for that. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's I don't know. Like I don't think there's a name to it. I'm sure there is, but like I just don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much where like you know you're able to identify a lot of reversal points and everything. So um, yeah, this is a very effective way to catch 250 pips a week, or you know, depends what strategy you use. But there you go. Um, so yeah, do you have any questions, or do you want me to go more in depth, like, or you want me to explain it more? I don't mind. Just let me know. Oh wait. Oh, I have to redo this. Where'd it go? I literally just set it up. Hold on. It doesn't like me right now. Sorry. Bottom, middle, top. Oh, this is. Oh, why is it not showing up? Oh, show tech. Duh. Okay, so we got it right there. But then this one is gonna be a large quarter. Like, you know me, I'm real lazy, so I'm just gonna copy and paste this. So the center right, okay, so it's gonna be a large, so we can definitely delete that. Actually, no, I'm just gonna go and do this one. See, I'm gonna remove that. And then, okay, so I can definitely delete that one right there. Yeah, I keep forgetting to do this, so bear with me real quick. But yeah, like I said, if you want to have a game plan for this week, like, go for it. Like, use this strategy. But let me do this real quick. So major half. Okay. Right. There you go. No. So show text. Right. Delete that. So now that we have this, and like you can like definitely keep this on for like ever. You know, if you still using trading view, like this could go on and on and on, and then obviously, you know, once it breaks through this, you know, you can definitely um you know, put more major quarters in and all that stuff. um but yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. I mean, you know, at like it's like us doing zone, but I feel like this is a little bit um more effective. It's um because it's like each quarters or halves. That's how the bank makes their money. You know what I mean? Because they understand that, you know, um I'm not sure like the whole like story behind it, but I know that they make their money from like every 1,000 pips. They make their money from 250 pips. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm sure like they're swing trading, you know, major quarter, and then, you know, the day trade, you know, from major to large, large to major halves, and all this stuff. So like this is like the strategy that, you know, the banks use to make their money. Um, hold on. um, but yeah, I mean, this is like, you know, like what are you so are you guys so like confused about it, or like what questions do you have for this, so I can like be like very specific. You know. See. uh, So yeah, so but yeah, for this right here, I want to see where I'm waiting to see if this gonna respect the major half. Because if it does, I know for a fact it would definitely. I could see it dropping down. Well, this is on a day though, and this whenever NFP happens, it could definitely. Trying to think. I'd, yeah, I really feel like it's gonna at least gonna come down to major quarters. Um, because it consolidated right here, as you can see. It consolidated a lot right here. Make sure that everything's locked. See that this is a consolidation zone right here, and I feel like it's gonna do the same thing, where like it's gonna consolidate. But I feel like if you look at this right here, I feel like this could drop down. Well, it could do the same thing where like it goes from major half and then comes down to right here. If it comes down to right here, I'm buying. Like, you know what I mean? Because that's a very strong zone. Um, so, and then I'll swing trade this for like a week or 1 week, and then you know catch out like 500 pips, 500 pips. You know, putting you know 0.05 or point 0.1 or whatever. You know, um, just an extra like you know money. But I mean, that's just me. I swing trade, you know, like a while ago, but I haven't done it in a while. Um, but yeah, like what do you guys want to know more in depth into this major quarters? Like just like you know, let me know so I can really let you guys know. Like what's up? Let me know. But yeah, just let what what more in depth do you want me to go into? Cause um so I can answer you guys. I don't know what else. Like it's just a very simple concept. Like you know quarters and then you know it's the same thing as zone. Like I said, a stronger zone. That's what we're looking at right now. Well, let me look at the news real quick. See if anything's gonna happen for Euro AUD. So there's news coming up. Okay. See Euro at 2 and 3. So we'll see what's up. Um, see AU. Yeah, for sure. Um, so I can like this right here. So it makes a little W right here. So definitely I could definitely see this going down. And plus, you know, this is not the prettiest head and shoulder, but I can definitely see that you know it could definitely push it down here. And then this is our neckline right here. So yeah, it's definitely gonna push it down to right here. And you know, um whenever it goes down to right here, like I'm buying for sure. Um, but I'm just kind of waiting until tonight. Um, there's no news for AUD or USD until tomorrow morning. Um, I got it. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure you guys understand this because you know there's really nothing to go more like, you know, I can't make this more simple. It's just right there. Major quarters, large quarter, major halves, and it's really self-explanatory. Like I mean, like I said, it's like zone trading. But you know, I honestly I might just keep doing this for now. Like I might not even like, you know, as you know, like in the past, I you know do a lot like draw a lot of this right here. I might still do it, but I'm gonna be focused on more of you know, the quarters and the major halves and stuff. Hey, I learned through my experience, man. I learned through my experience. I'll look at EU real quick. The EU. Definitely took me a while, that's for sure. Let's see EU. Okay, yeah, definitely. I'm gonna look at Euro USD. I haven't traded Euro USD in a while, but do you want me to mark up the this, you know, the major quarters? You want me to do that? See you, yes sir. Definitely. What? I'm not sure. Did you want me to do this with Euro USD? Yes. Alright, cool. Alright, got you. And yeah, and you guys can copy it if you want. Um, so I'm gonna go. It's a lot of. Oh my god, it's a lot of movements. Okay, so I'm gonna go from here to here. So 780. Wait, hold on. It's about 7. No, hold on. I guess this would be half. Oh, okay. Cool. Major quarter. Now we can work our way. Oh, okay, cool. So I didn't even look at this right here. So I guess that works out in our favor. um. So come on. So right here. Boom. Major quarters. Yeah. So like this is a very easy. Takes a lot of patience too. So, wait, is that right? It's 2000. Okay, so move down a little bit more. Whatever, I'll take it. I'm not. Well, I don't know. Okay, whatever. Here you go. So I'm gonna lock that down real quick. Boom. So I guess you know at this point, this is really all you have to do, and then you can go into your um, you know, your halves. Wow, I'm just now realizing this. I should have done this a long time ago. And now I can just go, boom. See how easy that was? That is so easy. Wow, that saved me a lot of time. Okay, cool. Um, so now we're gonna go to weekly. So now, yeah, we're just doing the same thing. So from here to there is 1,000 pips. So now you just go in the middle. So, so now we're going to our major halves. Boom. Let's see. So major halves. Let's get it. Let's get it. So copy, write, make sure it show text because I was like figuring out why is it not showing up for like at least like 10 minutes and then I was like, oh, I forgot to show text. So definitely. Alright, so now we're doing the same thing. Boom. Right there. Boom. Wait, no. I have to redo it. Dang it. Okay, cool. I'll take that. um, so now I'm gonna be doing this one. So that's 1,000 pips. So now we're gonna go, boom, set. So now you just kind of lock it down because then you don't want it to mess up because if I accidentally delete this, I might not do it again because I'm just lazy. So alright, so now we can go in a day, and then you can either keep it like this, and then um, then you can just go, and then boom, you know what I'm saying? Like you can just go large. I think it's hold on. Large quarter. Okay. What is it? So, but we're gonna change this to turquoise. So, and then um, boom. Then obviously, you can keep it like you don't understand. What are you not understanding, brother? I'm just um, I'm just drawing major quarters right now. We're just setting up the chart for this week. Um, hold on. Let's see. Um, I'm just gonna wait for you to respawn, but yeah, like you can definitely like keep it like this because if you have too many lines, it's just gonna like kind of confuse you a little bit. But you can just keep it with keep it in this quarter if you like. Um, so this is on this major quarter right now, so we'll see what's up. We'll see. Hold on. Let me check this real quick. Yep, so it's starting a new major quarter, so we might even see a reversal. Um, we'll see. We'll see. Honestly, even if it probably even push it down, to be honest with you. Um, because hold on. Drop to like right to major halves maybe, and then see what's from there. But like I said, I don't trade Euro USD. I used to, but that was because I didn't know what was going on whenever I started. So now I have because it's just too it's I don't know, there's too many people trade it. Because if you look, I'm gonna pull this up real quick. Um, what's good, bro? How you doing, brother? See, let me log into my FX book real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys why I don't trade Euro USD. I mean, you can obviously make a lot of money from it, but like I said, it's too popular for me to trade. Um, dang, I keep messing up my password. Nah, you're gonna fall asleep, bro. You you're gonna fall asleep, dude. Hey, bro, if you sitting there at like like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, you're gonna fall asleep within 15 minutes, bro. It. See, I don't know why it's not letting me log in. I think I got it. No, what? Yeah, everything's right. I don't know why it's not. I'm just jamming over here. Okay, cool. I'm in. No, go back. So, um, so we're looking at Euro USD. Check this out. So Euro USD, so 14% of people that trade forex, I guess, are trading Euro USD. So let's look at this. Look at this right here. So you see that? That's too much. And the reason why I don't trade is because, like I said, it's there's too many people that are trading right now, and everybody's going for a sell. So see, oh, this is on a weekly. Hold on. But yeah, so we might even like see like it push up like to right here. I can definitely say up to like right here. And then that would be, I'll be about 20 pips. I can say, 10, 20 pips. Even comes like to up here. But yeah, it's definitely gonna like try to like fake people out. But at this point, as you can see right now, that the major quarter for Euro USD is consolidating, and it's been consolidating. Whenever it comes up here, it consolidates, even right here. So we'll see. We'll see what's gonna do. But then again, like I said, I don't trade I don't trade Euro USD because I don't think it's too volatile. Just too many people are trading it, so it's just like kind of, I don't know what's gonna do sometimes. Okay, to answer your question, what will price do at the quarter? It could even just like, you know, reverse or breaks through, or you know what I'm saying, like it could have, anything could happen. And you know, if you want to, let's say, I just say it goes down. Okay, let's just say, you know, it's gonna drop. Okay, if you want to be sure or you want to be safe, I will let it drop first and then get back on the retest. That's what I would do. If you're not sure of like a trend or anything, because at this point, like I said, it's consolidating a lot. And especially if the market just opened like 4 hours ago, so everything's moving slow right now. Um, so yeah, everything's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. So yeah, I mean, I'm not expecting anything, you know, anything happening until like tonight or tomorrow night or something. But let's see, what's the next move for UJ? Like I was saying, you know, I was looking at 4 hour, and I could definitely see that, you know, hold on, let me go back to daily. So we can see that this consolidating right here, right? So we're right here. So I could definitely see where it could definitely go up to here, to a major halves, and then definitely work its way down to major quarter to down here, and then goes up from there, because obviously you see where the price came right here, and that's a very strong zone up down there too. So when it reverses, so if you look at right here, USD JPY. So you remember how we're looking at Euro USD, how we're at major quarter, or major quarter right now. So look at it right here. You know what I'm saying? The price reverse. How do you tell when it reversed? You just don't. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause you never know what the market's gonna do. That's why I said you can. Let's just say that this went up. You know what I'm saying? Let's just say this could go up, but for you to, you know, be safe, or you know, just being smart. You know what I'm saying? Or just trying to save your money, or not getting being negative, I would just wait for you know, I will wait for a retest. That's what I prefer to do, is getting in a retest. I'll show you guys this right here real quick. Wait, I haven't dropped this one. Hold on. Oh, okay, cool. So Euro USD normal for you. Okay, so this right here, you know, like I was telling you guys before, it's that I got in like right up here, and then it went up, right? I didn't take my profit, but I had my take profit right here, and it was like 12 pips away. So it shot back down to here, and like I said, I should have bought it, but I was like, I woke up at like 7 o'clock in the morning. I looked at it, I was like, I'm negative, I'm going back to sleep, and then it shot back up like until like 11 a.m. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? But like, I already knew that it was gonna go up just from this, so I wasn't worried. But like, yeah, I couldn't make, you know, I should have just put a standard in and just caught, you know, 70 pips up. You know, that's something I could have done, but if I would have been on my computer, oh my gosh, it'd have been a done deal because it even went past this, and I had this drawn out before, so it respect perfectly. So, but yeah, it's I mean that's all it is. Like, you know, zone trading, and you know you can use you're using quarters. Like it's all the same honestly, but major quarters, large quarter, half, major halves are very strong reversal points. Or if it doesn't reverse, it'll have a big candle to break it through, like you can see right here. You know what I'm saying? Can't big candle, big candle, big candle, boom, right there. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be very aggressive. Let's throw some Fibonacci's in this real quick. See what's up. I'll go on a daily real quick because I prefer to do my Fibonacci's on a daily. But I'm gonna delete. So let's just do from this from to here. So nothing's going on over here right now. So let's see, what can we do? I want to see where it's gonna go. I mean, I already know where it's gonna go, but it's yeah, it's zone right here, zone. But yeah, I'll definitely take my profit at a large quarter. If anything happens, I'm not gonna be greedy about it. I'm just gonna take my profit and go on my day. So I got about 126 more pips to go. So that's definitely gonna hit my goal per day. So I should be good. But other than that, honestly, like, you know, don't overcomplicate a lot of things. Like, just know how to use quarters and, you know, measure halves and, you know, all this stuff. Like, this could really help. You know, it could even give you one more confirmation to put your trade in. You know, so that's what I would highly recommend you guys take. Just take it like 5-10 minutes of your time during the day, and just really do this on your three pairs that you look at, and just stick with those, and you're gonna start seeing a lot of successes. Because if you're just trading every single pair, like, you know, every pair is different, every pair moves different, you know what I'm saying? So I would definitely highly recommend you getting to know your pairs. You know, whatever you gotta do, like, I'm telling you, it will pay off. Just stick. And if that pair, hey, what's up, brother, how you doing? You know, if your pair's not doing anything, don't trade. You know what I'm saying? If you don't see a setup for your pair, do not trade. Because one, you need to have a strict rule, and you need to keep, like, just gotta follow your rules. Like, I'm telling you, keep sticking. You know, look at 2-3 pairs, you know, and then just have at least like 3 or 4 confirmation. You know, follow your risk management, and, you know, just trade without emotion. You know, if you lose, you lose. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was doing, you know, I won 5 trades, but then I lost 1 or 2, and I'm fine with that. You know, as long as my, you know, winning ratio is, you know, higher than, you know, my loss. You know, like, I'll take that any day. You know, I'd rather make, you know, $400 and then lose $50. You know what I'm saying? That's really my ratio right now. But I mean, like, you know what I'm saying? So, like, it's telling you, just focus on, you know, your pairs. Do not break your rules. And I like this markup. Hey, that's what's up. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, you know, stick to what you know. I'm telling, well, not stick to what you know, but always trying to learn new things. But this is one way for you to catch, 250, 1,000, 500, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? For sure, dude. It helps a lot. You know. Yeah, like just recapping this. I want you guys to like make sure you guys get this down. But just go on your monthly and go from the lowest to the highest, and then start bringing it to half, 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 and then boom. Every 1,000 pips, every 1,000 pips, every 1,000 pips, you're gonna use major quarters for every 1,000 pips. Major half is 500 pips, and then 250 is large quarters. So if you get those numbers down, I'm telling you, you're gonna start seeing mad results. I promise you that. So, but yeah, like I said, this is a game planning for the week, for the month, whatever. But this is what I have going on. So if you guys want to follow me through this journey, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Like I'll be doing I'll be live trading more. I'll be doing all this kind of stuff. So like it's minimum. Yeah. Yeah, it's just and if you like hold on. Yeah, you can just catch it from this right here, like you're good. You know what I'm saying? 250 pips, say times .01, which is 10 pips. That's 25, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like depends like what's your lot size. You can make mad money off of this. 250 times $1 is obviously 250. Do a half standard. $5. It's like that's 1,250. So what I'm saying? Whatever it is, but this is strategy for you to catch 250 pips either in one day, 1 week, or whatever. This is how you do it. So I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna let Mike take over at IML TV. So I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions, write them down tonight and then let me know tomorrow. And if you have not added me on Facebook, here is my name. And if you have any questions, I'm gonna be on tonight on Google Hangout. So if you want to join my live training tonight, let me know. So message me on my Facebook. What's the link? No, Mike is streaming on IML TV. So you have to be a part of IML. So if you're not, you can definitely contact me and I can definitely get you set up. But I mean, other than that, I appreciate you guys hopping on. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.